Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you the some example which is from problem set second. That is the problem set of real number. Students, I observed that so many students they are not doing a practice at home. That's why they got very less marks in the class tests. Don't do like this, students. If not getting, you can call me, you can ask me by the message or by call. But don't be easy. Don't take a easy. Be serious about your study. So that's why again some examples which are from problem set second I am going to explain. Now from that, the question number second, write the following number in P by Q form. If not getting, then please student, please try to understand. The simple question is there, we have to write the following number in P by Q form. So first is 0.555. So here this is a 3 times. Therefore we are multiplying it by 100,000. So in this way also you can calculate, or by other method also you can calculate, means like this method. See here. X is 29.568. 29.568. Here bar is there. It means that is 568. 568 is repeating. Okay. Here it is a 568 bar is there. Okay, so according to that this will come. So it means that this number 568 are repeating after the decimal point. And how many digits are there? These 3 digits, and therefore we have to multiply it by 1000. After multiplying 1000 to the both side, you will get this equation. Now subtract the equation first from second, you will get 999x is equal to 29568. 29539. And after subtracting, x is equal to 29539 divided by 900. So you will get the answer this. This is in the P by Q form. So what is depend? The value of, we have to multiply it 1000 or 100 or 10. It depends upon the how many digits are recurring type. Now let x is equal to 9.315315. It means that 9.315 bar. Since these 3 digits are repeating same, you have to multiply it by 100. After multiplying, second equation you will get. Now first and second subtract, you will get the 900. X is equal to 9306. And after calculation, you will get the P by Q form. Okay, same questions. Fourth, similarly. Here also 417. Okay, so this multiply with 1000, you will get the answer. Same, all these questions are same because after decimal, 3 digits are repeating. They are 3 digits are recurring type. Now write the following sum in the simplest form. Very simple. Now simple form, we have to no need to do the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Just you have to write in the simplest form. Now 8. We can factor 8 such a way that maybe some number square root will come out. So 8, I am writing here 4 into 2. So this root 4, it will come 2. Therefore 3 by 4 into 2 root 2. And again these 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So you will get the answer 3. This is the 3 by 2. Square root of 2 is the simplest form of this answer. Same 45. 9 5 are. So this 9 become 3. 3 ones are 3. Then 5 by 3 root of 5. This negative sign is as it is. So in this way you can write. Now write the simplest form of the rational number and factor for given cell. Now we have to rationalize the factor. We have to find out the simplest form of rationalizing factor. Now root 32. You can't say root 32 is root 32 is the rationalization number. No. Simple is firstly write the given surd in the simplest form and then find out the rationalizing factor. So after writing 32, 16 multiply by 2, this 16 become a 4 and root 2. So this 2 is the ration. Therefore only the root 2 is the simplest form of rationalizing factor. Similarly 25 2s are. So what you will get? 5 root 2. So root 2 is the simplest form of the rationalizing factor. Now means when you are multiplying this number by root 2, you will get the rational number. Rationalized form means what? When you are multiplying the irrational number, you have to convert into to the rational. Then for that purpose, firstly write the given answer in the simplest form and find out the simplest form of the rationalizing factor. Okay, very simple. 27, 9 3s are. So these 3 become outside. So you will get only root 3. So this root 3 is the simplest form of rationalizing factor. Now 3 by 5, root 10. Root 10 into root 10 because 5 2s are 10. 5 is also not a perfect square number. 2 is also not a perfect square. Therefore, root 10 is the rationalizing factor of 3 by 5 root 10. Okay. Now 72 we have to multiply it by 36 into 2. This 36 become a 6. Okay. The square root of 36 is 6. So it will get the root 2. Only root 2 is the rational form of factor. 11 there is no any simplest perfect square factor. Therefore as it is we have to keep, and therefore we have to multiply it by 11 for the rationalizing this number, and therefore root 11 is the simplest form of rationalizing factor. So don't be confused. All the questions are very simple, but just you have to remember. Okay, now this 7 question. Now 4 by 7 in square root of 147 plus 3 by 8 in square root of 192 minus 1 by 5 in square root of 75. Okay, 4 by 7 in square root of 49 multiplied by 3. You have to write all these in such a way that whose factors become a perfect square number. Means one number should be a perfect square number. Similarly, after writing, you have to simplify it. Now this 49 become a 7, this 64 become a 8, and this root 25 become outside. If you are taking it outside, you will get 7, 8 and 5. After writing this 7, 7 cancel out, 8, 8 cancel out, 5, 5 cancel out. You will get 4 root 3, 3 root 3 and minus 5 root 3. If you are observing, all these are the like side, and therefore root 3 is a common. 4 plus 3 minus 1. So you will get the 7 minus 1, 6 root 3. So answer is 6 root 3. So in this way, second example also see. 5 root 3 plus 2 roots 27 plus 1 by root 3. 5 root 3 plus 2, 9 3s are. So it will come again 3 outside into 1 upon root 3 multiply by, you are rationalizing. You will get a simple calculation. Okay, if you are not doing, then also no problem. Now it will become a root 3 by 3 after rationalizing the denominator. Okay, so after simplification, you will get 5 root 3 plus 6 root 3 plus root 3 by 3. This root 3 root 3 root 3. This is root 3 is a common. So we will get 5 plus 6 plus 1 by 3. So what you will get? 5 plus 6 is 11, and this 1 by root 3 is as it is, root 3 is a common, and therefore you will get 33 plus of 1. After taking the calculation of 11 plus 1 by 3, you will get the 34 by 3 root 3. So this is the answer. After that we can't simplify it. Okay, the answer should be in the simplest form. So students, remaining question from question number 7 you have to solve, and you have to send me up to session, and all the questions from this problem set you have to write in your notebook. Okay, remaining next question also I will explain tomorrow. Okay students.